Now we have Jayshree for the Power Collab March edition, and she's gonna show us how to create a travel agent within the Copilot Studio. So over to you, Rish.
Thank you, Ambesh. Welcome to Power Collab March edition session. I'm thrilled to present today how to get started with creation of Travel Copilot agent. So we are going to create a Copilot from scratch. I would be building a Copilot which would be providing me guidance on travel information, visa requirements, leveraging the public UK government travel website. Let's go ahead and create a new Copilot. I'm just clicking on new agent and here it's asking me what information I want to give here, or you can say something like provide best practices for project management. What would you like to make? So now here I need to just give the information what I want to create, what kind of agent I want to create with. So I can describe my requirements in just natural language or everyday words. So I'm going to give the requirement that assist users with travel information and visa requirements. So here I'm planning to build a copilot with travel information. Uh, so it's asking me, please confirm or suggest another name if I want to rename this. Otherwise, I'm happy to have the same name or I can suggest a name. So it's asking me now if I want to, should it help with booking flights, finding accommodation, providing visa requirements? So we can provide all the instructions over here. Now I will be providing instructions. So at the same time, in background, creating like what language I would be preferring. It's crawling all the requirements one by one. And now if I want to add any link here, then I can surface that link or I can leverage that public website as well. And at the moment, I'm going to work with this government website. It's like foreign travel advice. So that would be my resource. Fantastic. Now I can just say create here. So this would navigate to the agent. So this government website has lots of information about visa requirements, travel advisories, and more so that the website I would like this copilot to get all the information from there and simply that's why I have just plugged that website URL and I can provide multiple websites as well. So here copilot will go and grab the information that has acquired from the external website and this would take me to the reference pages as well. If I want to test it out, I will start with a few of the questions. So my copilot is ready now and I would be just trying out some test cases. So what are entry requirements for France? So it has provided all the information to me. And one more setting we can do here on that use generative AI to determine how best to respond users and events. We can enable this setting. So now Gen AI would be playing its role. So here, if you see the same setting goes here and it would enable generative feature. So if I refresh the page and I would start with few other questions. What are regional risk for Japan? So here you go. So now the Copilot crawls the whole website in few moments and it would just find out what information I'm asking. And so if I go manually, I would have to do so many clicks. I need to find out Japan country first, then regional risk, all these things I need to get the information. But whereas if you see here, it has already provided me reference site and here I can see whatever information has been provided. It has quickly scanned and provided in within few seconds. So, isn't it pretty good and productive solution? So, this Copilot Studio empowers organizations to create intelligent agents that drives productivity and improve user experiences. Thanks for watching this session. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jayshree, for the wonderful demo. Like, that's why we said, let the Copilot build your Copilot. So, really wonderful. Thank you so much again.